Here we are at Camp Qwanoes. It's Juniors 2. It just started Sunday. We had a great day yesterday. It's Tuesday. We just had all the cabin photos, videos. We just had our big group photo video. We thought we would send a message home so you guys can see what's going on here at camp. So we're going to hear from campers, but first, oh, by the way, my name is Scott. I'm the director here of Qwanoes. And first, you're going to hear from some of our staff. Let's start with Randy, who's our music and media leader in Q-Town.
You heard it, I'm Randy, our music and media coordinator from Q-Town. We've been singing all kinds of fun songs and doing actions at the fireside and in Q-Town this week, having a great time. This is one of the songs that we've been singing this week. Hopefully you guys know the lyrics. We're talking about a love so strong and a life that's so alive. We're excited, everyone's invited. Step into this now. We're going all out.
Hey guys, I'm Sophia and I'm the land activities leader. I get to supervise things like skateboarding and basketball.
Hi guys, I'm Julia, I'm the Outrageous leader. I'm having so much fun with arts and crafts this week.
And this is my friend Layla.
Hi, my name is Layla and I think archery is my favorite part of Qwanoes. I got white twice in a row.
Woohoo!
Hi, my name is Heidi and I'm a female counselor this week and I love all my girls so much and I've had so much fun getting to know them and I can't wait to spend more time with them this week.
Hi, my name is Helena and we've had an awesome time at camp. Hi, my name is Thea and we are super excited for the night games.
Hey guys, I'm the male counselor for one of the cabins in Spring Woods and we're having an absolute blast. I'm excited for the night games tonight and here's one of my campers.
Hi, I'm Charlotte. One day I went on the skyscraper with some of my friends. We were all scared, but we had a blast.
Hey, my name is Kaylin. This is my friend Reggie. Hi, I'm Nathan. I'm the ski instructor here and I love boats. We work down at the waterfront and we're stoked to do things like beach discovery with all the campers this week. Yeah!
Hello guys, my name is Marlon. I work in the kitchen as a kitchen crew trainer and it's so good to have all these kids here with us. We've been cooking thousands of meals daily. So and for tonight we have dessert. The dessert is chocolate cake.
Hi, my name is Tania. I'm the camp store manager here this summer. We have 6 stores at camp, including Beach Betty's, Ice Cream Island, Club Coco, and lots of others. The flavor for Ice Cream Island so far this week has been bubblegum, and Chalk and Roll at Club Coco. Hopes to see lots more kids this summer.
Hey, my name's Kai. I'm from the healthcare team. I'm here to make sure your kids stay healthy and safe.
Hi everyone, we're the Challenge Course team. We've been having so much fun helping the campers discover new heights, and they've been so brave and trying new things and going all out this week, and we can't wait for them to continue to go all out for the rest of the week.
Oh, hi guys, my name is Rafael. I'm the maintenance crew chief, and maintenance is to make sure everything is clean and safe. Oh, no me, bro.
I'm Miles. Last night we played Boom Lagoon. It was really fun, and Qwanoes is amazing.
My name's Alicia. I'm an events assistant, meaning I get to run the games. Yesterday we did Boom Lagoon, and tonight we have our big night game, Ninja Strikes Back.
Okay, you met some of our staff. There's so many staff here. They're loving getting to know your kids. We're so thankful that they are here. But I think it's time to hear from our campers. Hey, you guys, how's your week going?